Hey, good morning, guys. The coffee's okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. Some days the coffee's good, some days not. All right, guys. First of all, I want to thank you guys that came through yesterday to my live, watched my videos. We talked about a lot of stuff in the stock market. We talked about all kind of stuff. But okay, T-O, T-T-O-O. This morning, it actually ran up to 70. Believe it or not, some of you guys probably didn't see that because they were up doing their thing. Um, some people can trade at 4 a.m. Different platforms allow you to trade at 4 a.m. Then Robinhood, you have to start at 7. And that could be a good thing or a bad thing. It just depends. So at one point we were up. It's not even showing. I'm pretty sure it was like, I seen 71. Okay. It was at 71. My profits was looking very good. Some of you guys woke up today and seen that you were up. Some of you guys are just waiting and hoping to stay up in this area so you can sell. But we're looking really, really, really good. Okay. There may be some more running up today. It may be in the news today. It may be on a lot of social media things. And we still trading uphill, like I said we were going to do. Okay. Not financial advice. I can't always predict everything, but I still feel like it's still on the upcline. Okay. There's going to be some pullback. Like I said, the higher we go, the more downside you're going to see, because some people are making some decent money. Some people already doubled their money. Some people tripled their money. And the closer and closer we get to those key points, and remember I said 60, 65, I said 70, 75, I said 80, all those key points, people are going to be selling along the way. So don't think that everyone is just holding to the moon, because everyone do not trade like that. Okay. You can't expect everyone to trade like that. And you can't expect, even if people say we're all holding, no one's selling shares. This is how I look at it. Anytime you can go on the app and buy a share and there's a share, because there's always someone selling. Everyone is not trading the same way. So there are going to be some shares out there. Someone sells, people are buying. It just keeps flipping back and forth. Okay. But anyway, it looks like it's trying to run back up. It may run back up and test the 70, 71, and hopefully it can go past the 71. If it start flying past the 71, we got to hit that 75 mark, get past that, and it's going to be probably smooth selling. Like, I think in no time we're going to start pushing that dollar really close. Okay, we got, what's today? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. A couple more days till the weekend, and come the weekend, some people are probably going to take their profits. So hopefully we're at really close to $1 by Friday, or at least at $1. Okay, and it's possible we could get there like sooner if this thing just keeps running. Okay, but so far the company is doing good as far as I know. I haven't seen any negative news, which is good, and I hope they're not holding any negative news back. But everything's looking good, right? Everything's looking good. I'll go ahead and show you my profits today, because I did say I want to be transparent about everything, right? And I don't care if I have a little amount of shares or a lot of shares. I'm just going to show you. Okay, right here I did have 4,000 shares yesterday. I sold some this morning because I'm running a test on another stock. So I sold some shares, took some profits, and put $100 or so on another stock. Okay, it's another penny stock. I'm just testing it, and I know this other stock needs to be compliant also, but they have until November, I think, and they have to be back above $1. But anyway, okay, so here's how many shares I have, 36.95, and my profits are right here. I'm up 315%. It was higher than that this morning. My profits was like over $2,000. So, but I didn't take it. No, I'm not. Am I going to take it? No, because I'm not at my I'm not at my striking price where I want to sell. Remember I said everyone needs to have a out price. So when I reach my out price, that's when I'm gonna sell. But this is not the price. I mean, that looks good in my pocket, but that's not my out price. Okay, I'm waiting for this to go to a certain price, and then the closer it reaches my price, then I'm gonna get out. Okay, but also the closer it gets to my price, I have to keep reevaluating things and listening to the news, because the news and everything will affect my out price. It's just simple. Okay, and I'm trying to do that like in real time and keep track of it. But anyway, it's looking good. Let me go to the SPY, because I think the SPY's up. Let me go real quick to the TQs. Okay, TQ, we're up, or we're down. We're on the line. Okay, so we're on the closing price from yesterday, and it's down like 10%. Qs is 1%. It's hitting the line. This is probably hitting the line too. So they're all moving in the same direction. So and that's kind of good. So it's going to pull down. You may see it start running back up, and hopefully the whole market just start running up again. So everything can just start running up. Let's take a look at a couple more things. Let's look at AMC real quick. AMC is at $3.73, and I think there's going to be a pullback on that. This was ugly over here. This was just real ugly. I think there's going to be a pullback on AMC, and then I also think they're going to run this back up here to make it look like it's running. People are going to buy in, and then they're going to snatch it back. That's what I think. But I think they're really trying to get it down to that $2, below the $3 area, to the high $2, and eventually $1 before something happens. It's just a prediction, okay? Not saying it's going to happen, so not financial advice either. Mullins, let's look at Mullins. Mullins is trying to run up to the $1. Mullins just bouncing around the $1 mark, and it's going to keep doing that, okay? I don't see it going any lower than this. I'm gonna go over here. Me personally, I don't see it going lower than like 85 cents anytime soon. It's just a guess, just a price prediction. I think it's just going to keep bouncing around at the around the 80 cent mark to high $1. Okay, I think it's just going to keep barcoding for a while until something comes out. I don't know. They need to get that car together. But eventually, I think Mullins is probably going to push down. If they do another stock split, then I may buy back in after the stock split, because I know the price is actually going to the price is going to be lower if it starts coming down after they do the reverse split. Then I can buy back in at a lower price, but maybe less shares, but at a lower price. Okay. And was there anything else? So that's Mullen. Okay, so that's about it, guys. So we're going to keep an eye on it. It's trying to run back up to 70. I'm pretty sure it's going to do that and probably tap it. And what's that? Okay. And it'll probably tap the 70 again. And there's going to be some resistance there, right? And then it's going to probably shoot past it. It's just a prediction, okay? But I think we can get past 70. All right, guys. Take care. See you in the next one.